friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll learn how to create a storage account and then a container and how to upload the files in the container. Let's quickly see that. Here we can see that I already created a Azure account and already logged in with the Azure account. Here in the search, if you don't find that storage account, then you can search it from storage account in the search panel and then select on storage account. It will open this window, click on create, and then it will have some wizard. So as the subscription is right now free trial, so it is showing free trial. So if you have subscription, then it will show the subscription here. And now the resource group, here you can create the resource group if you want. And as I already have the resource group, so I am cancelling it. Here you can put that storage account name. Let's say storage account 465. Let's say I have created with this. So it is as I can see that we don't have any error here. So if you are specifying, let's say, some different name which is already existing globally, then it will say that storage account is already taken care. Okay, so put that unique name here, and I'm keeping the region right now everything in a default mode. So click on advanced, and then I'm keeping it here network, and then data protection, and then encryption, and the last is tag, and then review. So let's wait for it is validating the input, and then click on create. So as soon as we click on create, it is starting deployment. So let's wait for a few minutes, and that storage account will be completed in few minutes. So you can see that deployment is in progress. Let's come back once it is done. Now we can see that the deployment is completed. Here we have that is created the storage account, and in the notification, if you click here, then you will see that the status of your deployment. So let's close it and go to the resources, and you can see that we already came in here. We can click the blog services, or you can click storage browser so that it will open in a browse mode. Now click on container, and here we can create a container. Let's say add container. Let's say I'm adding here is files, or you can give any name. I'm just keeping it right now and adding it. I'm not using any access label right now. I'm just keeping it private, and I just mentioned here is the file. Click on create. The container will create here. So container is basically, you can see as a folder where we are uploading the files, so that everything, so you can create as many as you want the container, and then you can upload the, let's say if it is a user pick, you can upload like you can create the folder with the user name or the unique name, and then you can put it every pick of the user, or you can keep it in the same folder. So just click on files. Here we have the upload button. Just click here, and then browse the file which you want to upload. Let's say it's a test data you want to upload, and once it is there, and then click on upload. So successfully uploaded one block. Just close it, close this one as well, and you can see that, just refresh it, you can see that it is there in the uploaded file. Let's click on the file, and you can see that the properties of the file, you can download the file from here, and also you can change the tier. So I'm not going to change this tier right now, but if you click here, you can make it some other tier like hot, cold, and archive. So we will talk these options in upcoming videos. So just cancel it, cancel this one, and so this is how we can create the storage container. Let's go back to the container and container, and then apply file. Here we can upload multiple files, as many as we want. So that's it from this video. Thank you for watching.